morning kids. I hope you all are fit and fine at your places. So kids, let's start our today's video. Now what is new in this today's video? In this video, we will start chapter 11, the Valley of Flowers. Now kids, in the hills of Uttaranchal, there is a place where there are flowers everywhere. Now before starting this chapter, beta, we will locate the place Uttaranchal. Now first of all, tell me kids, in which state you live? Now tell me in which state you live. See kids, you live in Uttarakhand. Yes, you live in Uttarakhand. Now kids, what is the difference between Uttaranchal and Uttarakhand? See kids, these both are same. Now kids, what is the difference? See, previously the state name was Uttaranchal. In January 2007, the state name was changed from Uttaranchal to Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand means northern region. Now kids, in the map you can see this is east, this is west, this is north, and this is south. Now where is Uttarakhand? You can see Uttarakhand is at the top. So it is in north. So it is a northern region. Uttar. Have you listened in Hindi beta? Purab, Pachchim, Uttar, Dakshin. So Uttar. Uttar means north. Uttar. So with this name, because it is a northern region, so the state gets a name Uttarakhand. It is a traditional name. So Uttaranchal and Uttarakhand are same. Today we live in a state named Uttarakhand, but previously it was called Uttaranchal. So kids, Uttaranchal and Uttarakhand are same. Now kids, in Uttaranchal there is a place where there are flowers everywhere. It is called Valley of Flowers. Now in this Uttarakhand there is a place in hills and it is called Valley of Flowers. In Uttarakhand there are hills, and in that hills there is a place called Valley of Flowers. Now in this place Valley of Flowers kids, you can see somewhere the red color flowers, red blooming flowers coming out of the bushes. Somewhere you can see white color flowers between the stones. Yes, the white color flowers between the stones. Now somewhere kids, you can see that the yellow color flowers are like carpeted everywhere. Now have you seen carpet kids? Carpet at your home? Yes, you put carpet on the ground and it spreads everywhere. Same way the yellow color flowers look like it is carpeted everywhere. You can see that the blue color flowers are shining like stars between the grass. So kids, there are yellow, there are red, there are blue, there are green, there are every color flowers in this Valley of Flowers. So I insist you that you do visit this place. Now before visiting, just wait. Yes, it looks like a dream it looks like. Now kids, before visiting, just watch the timing. Yes, these flowers in this valley of flowers, the flowers, they don't remain all the time. They remain for a limited time. Because kids, like a dream, these flowers bloom only for a few weeks in the year. So whenever you visit, just watch the timing. Now kids, when to visit? The Valley of Flowers is only open in the beginning of the month of June until the beginning of October. And the rest of the part is covered with snow all the time. As you can see beta, it is in the northern region, this place. So it is always covered with snow rest of the time. So the best time to visit these flowers is from mid-July to mid-August. And when these flowers bloom, in the beginning of June until the beginning of October. Now kids, we will play one activity. Just close your eyes and think that you have reached such a place where there are flowers everywhere. Now kids, think how does it feel and which type of songs you are reminding in your mind. Now kids, we will do one activity. Now the first question of the activity is, have you seen so many flowers growing together anywhere? Where? Now, as you all know that our school has a lot of flowers. Yes, it is a place where there are a number of flowers. I have taken one photograph from our school. And you can see this big beta, this flower belongs to our garden only from our APS school. Yes. So the answer is yes, I saw many flowers in the garden of my school. Now the next is, how many differently colored flowers have you seen? Now kids, just answer it by your own. Now how many flowers, differently colored flowers you have seen? Some kids have seen 8, some kids have seen 10, some kids have seen 50, more than 50 and many. Whatever the colors you have seen, you have to write the colors. Colors can be red, orange, blue, yellow, green, white and many more. Now I think you just left counting. Yes, exactly. Are there anything in your house which has designs of flowers made on them? Yes kids, you can see that in your bed sheet and in your notebook cover, in your curtains, there are flowers. Yes, there are rows of flowers. So these designs we use in many ways. Now kids, we will talk about a design which is called Madhubani. Yes, you can see the painting kids, so nice, so beautiful the painting is. And what it is there in the painting? There are florals of design. Yes, in this design flowers are there, differently colored flowers. And this art is called Madhubani. This kids, this is a folk art. Now this design in the picture is called Madhubani. Yes kids, this design is called Madhubani, and what it is a folk art. Now in this L is silent. L is silent, you call it folk art. Now kids, what is the meaning of folk art? See, folk art is an art which is there from generations to generations. Yes, it is the old form of art. And we still use this art, and we will continue this art in our future time also. So it is called folk art. Folk art means our tradition. It belongs to our tradition. So Madhubani is a folk art. Now kids, do you know why it is called Madhubani? Because this art is from a district named Bihar. You can see in the map kids, Bihar state. So kids, in the map you can see Bihar state. Now in this Bihar state, beta, there is one place which is called, you can see this Bihar map, and in this Bihar map, beta, there is one place called Madhubani, and there this art is used. So with that place name only, this art is named as Madhubani. Now kids, you know the state Bihar? Yes, the state Bihar is a very famous state. In this state, first of all, this art is there. Secondly, you know that Gautam Buddha, yes, Gautam Buddha meditated under which tree? Yes, the tree is Bodhi tree, and that tree also is there in Bihar only. Now when these Madhubani arts are used, yes, these arts are used, this folk art is used in festivals. When there are festivals, when there are happy occasions. When there are festivals, when there are happy occasions, this art is made on the walls. Yes, this art is made on the walls. When there are festivals, when there are happy occasions, means people used to decorate their houses with this Madhubani art. You can see in the picture, kids, how in front of the doors and on the walls this Madhubani art is made. Now kids, you think that people used to buy the colors from the market and they used to color the walls. No, they use the natural products, like they use the rice paste. Rice, you know na, which you eat, they used to make powder of it, and with that rice powder they used to make so beautiful paintings. Now kids, with paste of powdered rice, they use different colors, like the first color is indigo, and it is neem. Second, for yellow color, they use turmeric. Now what is the meaning of turmeric? Turmeric means haldi. And they use flowers, trees. So they collect flowers, they collect trees, parts, and they used to make color from it. So these are all the natural ingredients which they use in this Madhubani art. These are the colors. Now kids, in this painting you can notice that it shows human beings, flowers, birds, trees, and all the natural things.